So in the previous two parts of C.5, we've been looking at fuel cells and we've been looking at rechargeable batteries. So we want to look at, well, what are the similarities and differences between fuel cells and rechargeable batteries? So the first one we'll look at is the fact that fuel cells will actually need a constant supply of reagents or chemicals. So we were looking at the hydrogen and oxygen producing water. So you always have to have hydrogen flowing in. You always have to have oxygen flowing in. And rechargeable batteries only need their occasional supply of electricity. You don't have to walk around, with a cord connected for it to be always working. That's the whole point of a rechargeable battery. It's portable. So fuel cells are portable, but you have to have something still going along with the cell to supply it with the materials it needs to take out or carry out the chemical reaction. And then fuel cells, their fuel is supplied continuously, while in rechargeable batteries the energy is stored inside the batteries. So we actually have some storage here, but a fuel cell itself has no storage. It's running and it only produces electricity while it's running. The rechargeable battery can actually sit there and store the energy. The products must constantly be removed from a fuel cell. So in our case, we saw produce water that needs to be given off as exhaust. So there's actually a product there that needs to be removed. Fuel cells are currently a lot more expensive due to the electrodes, the sort of precious metals that they're made from. And fuel cells are made of chemically more porous and inert materials. So for example, when you look at the electrodes, they have to be made of a porous material so that the gases that you're inputting, like hydrogen and oxygen, can actually flow through it for the reaction to take place. And then you actually want those materials to be inert and not actually react too much with other things. So overall, those are the similarities and differences between fuel cells and rechargeable batteries.